Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Tiff Benson here, and in today's video we are going to talk about all things Roja Dove. I have 4 new fragrances, 3 of which I can only hold in my hand. Let's see if I could do 4. Yes, that I haven't even opened yet. I want to unbox them here on this channel. I've had them for some time now, and it's just time to open them and share them with you. Let you hear my thoughts and see what these things smell like. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay with me, chat a while. We're gonna be here for some time. When I am not here on YouTube, I am almost always doing it for the gram. So make sure you follow your girl on Instagram. I will always leave it up here from now on, just so you know. And I'm waving around my knife, my favorite gift ever that someone has ever given me, my best friend, who is away on active duty. He gave it to me so that I can, well, I don't know, maybe protect myself? Who knows? I've digressed. Let's get back into this unboxing. So I love Roja Dove. I love his fragrances. Some of my favorites are Creation E. I'm a huge fan of Elysium. I love Elysium. And now he's come out with 4 new additions to his line. They're colognes, and I'm excited to try them out. So here's the packaging for a true unboxing. As far as price deets and where to purchase these, I will leave them in the cards. I tried to do some research on them, which is another reason why I waited so long, because I wasn't sure which retailer had them. But I will leave it in the cards for sure, okay? Not the cards, the description box below. As I unbox, which one did I open up first? Ooh, okay, so this one is Vetiver. Presentation is always everything, right? Oh God. I'm gonna let you know, see, this is the problem. Your girl has expensive tastes, okay? I like, and it's like, there's not much that I can't appreciate these days. For some reason, I feel like fragrance in general is just kind of getting a bit better. People are taking more risk. I'm gonna spray it right here. Sprayer is fabulous, if you can see that. I don't want it on my microphone. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. A vetiver scent that I would wear. Oh God, yes. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm gonna put it back in its little box and we'll open up the next one with my favorite gift ever. These are 100 ml, 3.4 ounce, just in case you're curious. Ooh. Box presentation. To be honest, I'm happy to be doing this sort of relaxed chit chat unboxing video. Ooh, is this the Elysium? Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I love Elysium. I have Elysium and I've flown through my bottle. I don't have much left to my bottle right now. Sad. Tears. But now I have the cologne. Let's talk about it. First spray. I mean, what is not to love about Elysium? Elysium, this is the cologne. Super fresh, super gorgeous. Highly recommend this scent for those of you who like fresh scents like Bleu de Chanel. Definitely Chanel vibes, right? I mean, it's not like a Chanel scent, but it's in that same sort of fragrance category. Fresh, woody, aromatic, very, very fresh. I love this one. I love it on a man, but I also think that a woman could carry this off really, really well if you like fresh scents, if fresh scents are your jam and your cup of tea. This will always have a soft place in my heart. This was like one of the most expensive fragrances that I've ever owned and really fell in love with. You know, it was one of those things where I was like, you know what? Not that I'm cheap with fragrance, because I'm definitely not cheap with fragrance, but sometimes you just have to see the real value in the scent, right? And falling in love with Roja is like that. There's so much value in these scents and they last forever. And they're exclusive, so not too many people have them. And then when you walk in a room and somebody smells you, you're like, oh, what's that you wearing? And I'm like, you don't know anything about this, get an opportunity to be all fragrance snobby. Although I'm not a fragrance snob, I am totally not. I try not to be, because I've been to a number of events where I run into a bunch of fragrance snobs, and I hate it. I just hate it. I really do. Next fragrance that we're going to open up, I'm not sure what it is until I open up. It's like candy. It's like you never know what you get until you actually open it up and try it. Ooh, Danger. I've never smelled this. So here we go. Danger, danger, danger. It's in this gorgeous red bottle. Don't you just love it when you get a new fragrance and like the bottle is super clean, super clear, no scratches? If you're like me and you take your fragrances everywhere you go, full bottle even, you ding them up. I always manage to ding up my fragrances. I hate it. I hate that about myself. But guess what? There's so many things that I love about myself that they just cancel it all out. Here we go. First spray of Danger. This is sexy. Hold on now. Spicy, woody. It's spicy, almost like, damn, I don't know the exact notes that are in these fragrances, especially the cologne. I'm not sure if they're like a sheared out version of the original or if they've actually changed the notes within the cologne. So I will have to get back to you on the notes. But this one has some sort of spice in it that almost smells like nutmeggy. Oh yes, I love it. I'm gonna take another spray of that because this might be my scent of the day. Shut up. Let's wait till that settles down. Use your words, Tiffany, use your words. Last one that we're gonna open up is a surprise. Gotta be careful with my little knife here, doing too much. Okay. It is Scandal! Yay! Bottles again are so beautiful. Ugh. Oh my God, yes. You just know that these are expensive just by looking at them. You just know it. Caps are heavy. They spray really nicely. Ingredients are amazing. You just know quality. And I love the heaviness of this bottle. This is something that people kind of really don't talk about. Some people do, but not enough, I think. How it fits in your hand, like how you can grab it and go with it, or how you can just like carry it, how heavy it is. I like weighted fragrances. I do like that. I also like a heavy cap. I think it just makes sense. And no pun intended. I'll spray it here. I'm glad I'm not ashy today. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay, so this, wait a second. I took a lot of that in. This is very zesty, almost herbally and spicy. I don't know how to explain this one. When I first smelled it, it kind of reminded me of like, maybe like a face cream, but like an herbally face cream. This is really nice and interesting. I've never smelled Scandal for men. There's a lot that I need to really smell. Sometimes you smell things in passing, but when you're in this industry, when you're in the fragrance industry, you smell so much fragrance that sometimes you kind of just like, you can't process it all in one moment. And sometimes fragrances, they smell similar to other fragrances, and that's how we kind of connect the dots of like, okay, if you like this, you'll like that. These fragrances are rather different, and they don't smell like many fragrances out there that I've smelled before. So it's hard to kind of describe them and connect the dots for you in that regard. But I will get better at that. Which do I really like? Oh man, I definitely like Danger, and I definitely like Elysium. These are two that I think are the most easy and likable, even though they're, you know, unique and kind of daring and in the way that they were created. I mean, they were created by Roja for God's sake, so there's nothing ordinary about them. Scandal is more on the daring side for me. I actually don't own anything like that in my collection, so I'm happy to try it and wear it and let you know my thoughts for the days to come. And the Vetiver is a really pretty vetiver scent. I am not a fan of vetiver at all. I have like maybe 3 vetiver scents in my collection. This is actually one of them that I would wear. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. If you found something helpful here, also give it a thumbs up. You know, it really helps the channel out. Let me know in the comments what you're wearing, what's your scent of the day. Your girl is so curious, and I love to read through the comments and see what you're actually wearing. I have many videos to come here on this channel. I'm so behind in the videos that I want to bring to the channel, but I have so much new fragrances that I want to talk about. Oh, also, before I completely let you go, leave in the comments some new fragrances that you want me to try out and test here on the channel. I'm totally willing to do that. I will be buying some new scents for the holidays, so drop me some comments, leave me your suggestions. I appreciate you. Love you forever. Watch what's up next, and I will catch you in the next one.